Wokha district bra district hood pai gine 50 years puncha laga celebration do Thursday local ground Wokha town de manaishe. Celebration day Deputy Chief Minister Y Paton chief guest thagishe. District laga social economic upliftment karone sob manu mili gini kam kuri bole Paton bra event de kotha gura homoy bindi kurishe. Paton kushi ki society aro district ekta do mil milab laga mantra bra hi age jabole paribo. Celebration day Paton bra Jubilee laga monolith bhi unveil kurishe. Agriculture Advisor Mathang Yanton, MLA Y Mohan Bemo, Hamsoi, Aro Achumbemo, Kikon Aro ex MLA SS Izang Brabi, even day Kotha Kurishe. Past Glory ke Dikhai Gine Jubilee Art Gallery and Museum Exhibition ke Advisor Yanton Bra inaugurate Kurishe.
Oji, Ede Sotumuna, Motatumuna, Ede Sotumuna, Nagatumuna, Ede Sotumuna, Oji Evo to Kotia Chang, Oji Nzuti and Jubilee. 에테르도 거기나 모두 문속이야 내고 부서더니 몬손데 피아나 에너게게 로타호호 체면나 조지 아마 DC 다니고라게 야게 오피셜 포스팅 자강 감나 갖게에 볼런티어 리타이어먼트 잡으디니 야게 브라 Every department we have more than 50 departments in Wokha. Wokha department dinasdo yak. Edo official gambra. Every department you should send proposal to us. Proposal to department. Amitam naro office de to kam ase. Manula district de to try ase. Edo project try ase. Rasta try ase. Edo try ase. Infrastructure. Yati ke aminange edo every department should make a proposal.
Nagaland TV, Sob Manulaga Awas. Watch us live on Geo TV and on your television sets as well. For Dimapur viewers, we are on channel number 994 in Global Chapter, and Kohima and Mokokchung viewers, switch to channel number 138 on Hornbill Digital. For all news and updates, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube and Twitter.